How's it going, guys? Steve from Broke to Wealthy. I hope you've all had a beautiful week. I'm currently on vacation in beautiful South Florida, and I got this idea for this video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's more so geared towards people looking to join the military. It's going to be a little bit of history of my life and how I made the decision to join the military and what was the best decision that I ever made. So with that being said, hit the like and subscribe, and let's jump into the video. Alright guys, so it's almost about 6 years since I was sitting at this very property training, getting ready to be shipped off to Coast Guard basic training up in New Jersey. I was nervous, scared at the time, had no idea what I was getting myself into, but I was excited and ready for this next adventure in my life. And fast forward almost 6 years later, joining the military has been the best decision of my life and the best decision for me and my family. The Coast Guard has been extremely good to me and my family, and it's helped me get set up better financially. So basically in this video I want to talk to you guys about if you're on the fence deciding on whether to join the military, or more specifically the Coast Guard. I'll be talking what helped me make that decision, why it was the best decision I ever made, and then the future of me now in the Coast Guard moving forward. So like I said, 6 years ago, made the decision to join, and one of the best things about joining the military, and a lot of people may not know this, but the military, after giving 4 years of service, you will have either a bachelor's or a master's degree completely paid off. So the Coast Guard has completely paid off my MBA, Master of Business Administration, and that is something that if you're looking at the average prices of MBAs out there, for those people getting into debt, using their own money to get this education, you're looking at least $20,000, and to have a military branch like the Coast Guard pay for that has just been an amazing opportunity for me. Now, if you don't know, the Coast Guard is the hidden gem of the military. Not a lot of people know it's part of a military branch, but it is definitely part of a military branch. And another beautiful benefit from the Coast Guard that has been provided to me and my family is the healthcare. So we have a 3-year-old, and when he was born, we had a top-of-the-range hospital. We had our private room for 2 days. Everything went smoothly, and we didn't have to pay a cent for that. I've been taken in an ambulance twice for 2 different emergencies. Once I was attacked by a pit bull. Everything from ambulance to hospital stay taken care of. I've never had to pay a single cent of any medical bill since we have been in the military. So just that alone is a huge benefit. Another great thing about the military, and this may not be for everyone, but in the military you do get to travel a lot. So we've been stationed in New Jersey, New Orleans, Ohio, and now we're up in Texas. And so we've got to see many different states and different locations and meet people from all over the country. And that's something that I enjoy. I enjoy traveling, and my wife enjoys traveling, and our 3-year-old's getting to see new places and experience new places. So that is a huge benefit to us. Another awesome thing about the Coast Guard is, and if you're not looking to go international, then this is definitely the branch to join, because Coast Guard, you will be based here in the US. There are opportunities abroad, but 99% of the time you will be you decide yourself that you want to go abroad. You put in for that, you compete with other people, and then you get to go abroad. So if you're looking at joining any other branch, you're most likely up for deployment to a foreign or international location. So Coast Guard, just because of that, is a huge benefit. Now, the Coast Guard has helped me in many other areas of my life financially. They do have financial planners that will help you get set up no matter where you go. If you're looking to rent or buy a house, that is a huge advantage. Another massive advantage is the VA loan that military people have access to, that you will get to purchase a home with zero down payment and low interest rate, guaranteed to get a home. Doesn't matter if your credit score is kind of crappy, but the VA loan will help you get yourself, you and your family, set up with a home. And there are different ways that you can use a VA loan to purchase multifamily properties so that you can use that as an investment. So that is an excellent opportunity, and another reason to consider joining the military. It has been an amazing journey so far. I have taken the route. I'm enlisted. I'm now an officer in the Coast Guard, and like I said, my education is paid for, and I'm just progressing. I'm studying more within the Coast Guard. Everything's being paid for. I'm learning more. We're in a new location, and I'm going to go and continue progressing and building up my resume. And as we progress, the plan is to hopefully get closer to family, but that is one of the downsides. If you're looking to get closer to family, you could put that in your options, but ultimately the Coast Guard is going to tell you where they need you and where you need to go. So all these things just to consider if you're thinking of joining. Now, I want to let you guys know, I joined at 29, so I actually turned 30 in basic training. So if you're a little bit older and you kind of feel like you're stuck in life a little bit and the military is kind of on your radar, definitely consider the Coast Guard, guys, because right now in this present moment, the US Coast Guard is hurting for people. There are just not enough people manning the Coast Guard right now, and they have this new program out which is called Everyone is a Recruiter. So myself, just not being in recruiting, I can recruit people as well, and by me finding people, it'll be beneficial to both of us. So if you're thinking of joining, no matter your age, if you're up even 30 years old, there are waivers available, and they are now opening the Coast Guard to more people. The Coast Guard is a lot more diverse. For example, many years ago, just being an officer in the Coast Guard, you weren't allowed to have any visible tattoos, and now you'll find officers that have both sleeves fully tatted. So that is something that is new, and that is something that is more open to future people that want to join. So guys, if you have any questions, if it's on the fence, you're thinking about joining, you're thinking about looking into this, hit me up on a DM message. I would prefer on Instagram. You'll see at the beginning of this video, put up my Instagram name. Hit me up on that. I can help you get in touch with the right people to get you set up with potentially having a career in the military. Like I said, I have no regrets. It has been great to me and my family. Continue to progress and to build in this military career. And the great thing too about the Coast Guard is my work-life balance is not bad at all. As you can see, I'm doing my best to get the side hustle going and to keep the videos coming at you. The job is a little demanding, but I am putting in the effort to get you guys good quality videos, and I want to keep building and keep making that better. So guys, that has been today's video. Like I said, hit me up if you're interested. Keep your head in the game. This week has been a beautiful week in the markets. Everything's green, everything's looking good, so stay positive. I hope that momentum keeps carrying. We'll be jumping into more financial videos coming up here soon. We'll be heading back to Texas, and I'll see you guys back in the studio up there. But guys, keep your head in the game, look after each other, stay positive, and I'll catch you on the next video. Take care. Cheers.